Very good evening, my dear GW soldiers. Very good evening, very good evening, very good evening. First of all, kindly let me know, am I audible? Each and everyone, am I audible? Yes, Gate EGCSE, very good evening. Very good evening, each and everyone. Am I audible? Please let me know fast. Yes, Seema, good evening, beta. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So, can I start, everyone? Yes, Sidra Khan, very good evening, beta. Seema, Gate EGCSE, each and everyone, very good evening. So, my dear student, without wasting time, we are going to start SQL. In today, we will discuss whatever remaining topic of relational algebra. Then we will start the SQL close. Okay. So, what we done till now, my dear? We discuss relational algebra. In the relational algebra, what we done? There are 6 basic operators. Selection. We discuss complete. Projection. Cross product. Union. Minus, yeah, you can say set difference, and rename. These are the basic operator. Yes, good evening bachcho, good evening everyone. And drive operator we discuss also. First, intersection. Next, join and its type we discuss complete. Natural join, conditional join, equi join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, theta join. We discuss each and every join. And division. So my dear student, this division is remaining. Join we discuss. This one discuss, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Only rename operator and division is remaining. Yes, Sham, Seema, Sidra Khan, very good evening. Gate EGCSE, very good evening. And Seema, you absent in the last session. Sidra, you also absent. Anyway, don't worry. But today we are going to discuss very important part. First one is division operator. We will discuss, and then we discuss how to write a query and how to write a best query. Okay, bachcho? So, current start everyone. Till now, each and everything is crystal clear. Kindly write down in chat box, everyone. So, we are going to start. Everyone, let me know fast. Everyone, everyone, everyone. Sir, okay, okay, okay. No problem. Take care, beta. Health is wealth. First of all, take care of your health. Now, this is the question which is asked in GATE and NIC 2020. NIC exam also. GATE and NIC exam. Please solve this question. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Let me know fast. C. Wrong. Wrong, Seema. Listen carefully. What happened in this question, bachcho? What happened? It's a very good question. Here given two relations R, in which P, Q, R1, R2 and R3. Okay. And second one is S, in which also P, Q, S1 and S2. Okay, bachcho. And here PQ is the key. PQ is the key, beta. PQ is the key. And which of the following query are equivalent? It is the natural join. First one is natural join. Pi of P R join S. What is the meaning of these things? What is the meaning? First of all, you do the cross product. After that, you apply the condition R dot P equal to S dot P and R dot Q equal to S dot Q, bachcho. Getting my point? Then you are getting pi of P. Clear, everyone? Yes, D is the correct answer, bachcho. D is the correct answer. So, in which you are getting those tuple in which P and Q both are equal. P and Q both are equal. Let's take example. Here we have P, Q, R1, R2. P, Q, R1, R2. Here we have 1, 2, 5, 7, 3, 8, 4, 7. Okay. Yeah, you take 4, 5. Okay. Here you will take 1, 2, 5, 8, 3, 8, 4, 9. So what is the answer for this query? What is the answer for this query? In which P is equal and Q is equal. P is equal and Q is equal. What is the answer, my dear? You can see this one and this one. Only this one and this one. So output for this question is pi of PQ you will get 1, 2 and 3, 8. Then you fetch pi of P. Then you will get, my dear, 1 and 3. Clear, bachcho? This is the output of this one. Query 1 and 3rd and 4th. When you execute query 3rd and 4th, you will get in which P and Q both are equal. So you will get P 1, 2 and 3, 8. Then you fetch pi of P. Then what you will get? You will get 1 and 3, my dear. But in the query second, not third, in the query second, first of all, you fetch P. You fetch P in which, yes, Yashu Kumar, good evening, beta, good evening, God bless. In the query second, what happen? You will get P in which Q may be equal or may not be equal, my dear. So here you can see, first you fetch pi of P from R and pi of P from S. Then what you will get? You will get 1, 5, 3, 4 and 1, 5, 3, 4. So what is the output you will get? Pi of P 1, 5, 3, 4, because in which you will get those tuple, in the second you will get those tuple in which Q is not equal, in which Q may or may not be equal, may or may not be equal, bachcho. Clear, everyone? It's a very good question asked in GATE and NIC also. So D is the correct answer. Each and everyone crystal clear? Kindly let me know fast. Yashu Kumar, very good evening, beta. God bless. Okay. You done? Then no need to do here. Don't worry. But if you want to solve question, you can solve. No problem. Now, after that, I am going to discuss rename operator. Rename operator, my dear. Rename operator. So what we can done in rename operator? What we can do in the rename operator? We can rename the table. Rename the table. Renaming all attributes or renaming स्पेसिफिक एट्रीब्यूट बच्चों, ऑल एट्रीब्यूट और स्पेसिफिक एट्रीब्यूट। ओके, देखिए बच्चों, जैसे देर इज ए वन टेबल student table, what we done, this student table is known as temp. This is the renaming. Student table is done as temp. Now in the future, this table is known as temp, but attribute will remain same: SID, SName and age. This is the meaning of renaming the table. Renaming table, it's very simple. When it is used, when we are using same table again and again, when it is required at least two product, at least one, at least three, that time, yeah, same table if you want to use in future, then you can use renaming. Okay bacha, here what is happening, table will remain same, table name will remain same, student, but attribute is denoted as a I and A, ID, name and age. So here I am doing attribute renaming the attribute. And in the third one, what happened, my dear? In the third one, what happened? Here I am doing specific attribute renaming only. Specific attribute renaming बच्चों, I rename only I and A, यानी ID and age, means specific attribute renaming specific attribute. Crystal clear बच्चों? Mean to say, you can do the rename of table, or renaming of all attributes, और renaming of specific attribute. सर बैच में COA भी आप ही पढ़ाना जैसा DBMS में पढ़ाए हैं वैसे। यशु कुमार, देखो गेट वाला की सबसे अच्छी ब्यूटी क्या है पता है आपको? पता है क्या है? यहाँ चीज फिक्स है, ये नहीं है कोई भी सब्जेक्ट कोई भी पढ़ा रहा है, मेरा फिक्स है DBMS एंड COA मैं ही पढ़ाऊंगा, और बहुत ही सिंपलेस्ट तरीके से पढ़ाऊंगा। DBMS पढ़ के मजा आया बैच में, और बैच में ऑलरेडी मैंने प्रूफ के साथ आपको बोला था और वो ही करा है। 100+ PYQs, गेट PYQs प्लस प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस प्लस, यानी प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन जो होमवर्क में दिए हैं आपको कुछ एक, और होमवर्क भी दिए हैं, प्लस DPP, ये सारी चीजें प्लस वीकली टेस्ट। अगर आपने ये सारे लगा लिए तो आपका कुछ बचता नहीं है बेटा। तो बच्चों DBMS और COA मैं ही पढ़ाऊंगा, बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें, एकदम मस्त रहें, व्यस्त रहें। आगे शेड्यूल है मेरा COA का, मुझे पता है, मैं ही लूंगा यशु। और थैंक यू, आप ही थे शायद जिसके 20 में से 20 मार्क्स, आपके सेमेस्टर भी चल रहा था, आप ही ने वो कॉपी भेजी थी शायद यशु, जो सेमेस्टर में आपका फुल में से फुल मार्क्स आया था, आप ही थे, आपने भेजा था शायद वो। वेरी गुड बच्चा, गॉड ब्लेस। ठीक है, तो देखिए बच्चों, यहां तक अपना पूरा रीनेम ऑपरेटर हो गया है। तो मेरे छोटे भाइयों और बहनों, अब आप इधर देखिए, आपका कौन सा ऑपरेटर बचता है? एक बचता है डिवीजन, जिसको मैं अब आपको कराने वाला हूं। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट भी है, गेट में इसमें क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं, PYQs में 3-4 आए हुए हैं, मैं सारे ही आपको सिखा दूंगा, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। अब इधर आप देखिए, मैं डिवीजन सिखाने जा रहा हूं। डिवीजन, पहली बात तो यह है कि डिवीजन भी आपका ड्राइव ऑपरेटर्स है, ड्राइव ऑपरेटर है, ड्राइव ऑपरेटर है बच्चों, ड्राइव ऑपरेटर है। डिवीजन भी आपका ड्राइव ऑपरेटर है, ठीक है, यानी डायरेक्टली नहीं निकलता है। अब ये कैसे काम करता है, क्या हो रहा है, एक एक चीज को प्रैक्टिकली आई विल एक्सप्लेन। ओके, लिसन केयरफुली। Oh, this is the English channel. Sorry, I forgot in the flow. Listen carefully, my dear student. What I am saying, कि how the division will work, each and everything we will discuss. Each and everything. Okay. So division is used. For example, if you are saying pi AB from R divided by pi B from S. What is the meaning? It is the what is the meaning of this thing? Here you want to find A for every B. For every B, my dear. You want to find A for every B. Clear, bacha? So division is used to retrieve attribute value of relation R which has pair with every value of other attribute of relation S. For example, pi AB from R divided by pi B from S. It will retrieve the value of attribute A for R, which there must be pairing for every value of B. For example, listen carefully. I want the SID. मुझे, if you want the SID, who enrolled every course. So what is the condition? Course. What is the condition? Course. बच्चों. This is the meaning of division. Mean to say, don't worry rahe. Please don't worry. I will explain this in very good depth. You enjoy, believe me. What I am telling, whatever you want to find, that is A, and what condition you are applied, that is B. For every B, retrieve A for every value of B. For example, retrieve SID, retrieve student SID who enrolled every course. Are you getting my point? Who enrolled every course. So what is the condition? Every course. Then division will come into the picture. And how to solve division, we will see. So listen carefully. This is the query number 1. There are two table. First one is enroll table and next one is course table. In the course table, whatever course in your college enrolled, there are 3 courses, C1, C2, C3. And enroll table indicate which student enrolled which course. Like there are 3 students, S1, S2 and S3. S1 enrolls course number 1, course number 2, course number 3. S2 enrolled course number 1 and course number 3. Or S3 enrolled only course number 1. Now my question number 1 is, retrieve all students who are enrolled some course or any course or at least one course. Some course or any course or at least one course. So how we will do? We will just find SID. I want to find the name of student who present in any one of the class. Who present in some class, any class, at least one class. Then what I do, beta? I will just find the name from the attendance table. That's all. I'm not applying any mathematics. I just find the name. Then I will get the student who enrolled at least one class, who attend at least one class, या some class, या any class. So what is the output for this one? Everyone let me know fast. क्या output आएगा बच्चों? Please fast. Everyone. Please. Very good. S1, S2 and S3. You will get output S1, S2 and S3. Those students who enroll any course, attend any course. S1, S2 and S3. Okay, bacha. Now listen carefully. Now my question is changed. Retrieve student who are enrolled every course. Here there is a what? Some course or any course or at least one course. At least one course, bachcho. At least one course. So you will write in this manner. When you have to find the student who enrolled every course. So you know what is the output? S1 is the output. You know what is the output? S1 is the output, my dear. S1 is the output. Okay, bachcho? Till now, crystal clear, everyone? Each and everyone, let me know fast. Till now, crystal clear, each and everything? Everyone, everyone, everyone. Now, listen. Most of the student having the doubt in this topic, but believe me, you will enjoy this topic. And most of the student having the doubt in division operator. Ki sir, if there is this type of divide, then what we do? Because division we don't have a crystal clarity. Yeah, sir, if this type of question it is asking GATE 2017, then sir, actually how the division will work? I will let you know, don't worry, both method how the division will work, and this is the GATE questions we will discuss. Now, if I am giving one assignment, listen, Seema, GATE, EG, CSC, Sham, Adyaraj, Priya Chaudhary, Yashu, each Jadip, listen carefully. If I am giving the assignment, forget this is a course or enrolled, you assume this is a students, this is the class. There is a total three class and 3 student. I want to know the name of student, yeah, ID of the student who enrolled, yeah, who attend every class. So you let me know how you find. But the condition is table is not given. Like if I'm saying ki you can watch the table, easily you can say, sir, open your eyes. You can say, sir, S1 is attending every class, yeah, S1 is attending every course. But table is not given, then how you find? Please apply your brain. Everyone do it fast. I am giving only 1 minute, do it fast. How you analyze? Please, it's a very important point. Apply your brain, otherwise I will tell you, don't worry, but I want ki you will give some input. Seema, GATE, EG, CSC, Sham, Adyaraj, Jadip, Yashu, how to find? Let me know fast. Yes, Sham. May I start? If this is not given, really it is not given, then how you find? Let's suppose I am giving one assignment. You have to find, you have to write some code. Yeah, in English language, you have to check, you have to tell me in English language, no SQL, no relational algebra, how you find the name of a student who attend every class. But the condition is right now you don't have the attendance table. Means by watching you can easily say S1 is the answer, sir. S1 is attending every course, yeah, S1 is enrolled every course, yeah, S1 is attending every class. But the condition is you don't have this table. Now let me know. Sham, GATE, EG, CSC, Jadip, Shan, each and everyone, Yashu, Adyaraj, Priya Chaudhary, कुछ तो लिखिए everyone. So what I do, बच्चों, I am doing something. What? First of all, I fetch the student's name. Then I just do the cross product from the course. Mean to say there are 3 students, 3 course. What I assume, each student attend each course. Don't know. Don't worry, bachcho. Don't fear. Your Vijay sir is here. Jadip, don't fear, beta. What we do first? If we don't have these values, then how we calculate? We do one thing. Please think in other manner. Please now put your pen down. Everyone put your pen down. I can't drop. You can drop. Please. Not drop, down. Okay, now listen, what I will do, first of all, what I do, I am assuming ki each and every student enrolled every course, each and every student enrolled every course, my dear. So what I do, I just do the cross product. I just do the cross product. So what is the advantage? What is the advantage? This will give the information ki each and every student enrolled every course, every course. Then sir, what is your next plan? What is your next plan? Then I subtract from attendance sheet. I subtract from attendance sheet, my dear. I subtract from attendance sheet. When I subtract from the attendance sheet, then what happened, beta? What happened? What happened? Listen carefully. This is the attendance sheet now. Listen carefully, please. Each and everyone, this is a very good step. Believe me, you will enjoy and get division operator. I am taking the guarantee of you, you will get complete full marks in this question. If division operator question asks, you will get full marks. I will give the proof in today class. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now listen carefully. What we do. First of all, I don't know. By watching the table, I can easily say, yes, S1 is the student who enrolled every course. But I don't have a table. Then how I do? So what I do, first of all, I am assuming each and every student enrolled every course. Mean to say, every student enrolled every course. Every student enrolled every course, my dear. Then I subtract from the attendance sheet. Yeah, from the hakikat. Then what happened? What is the output? Let me know what is the output. Please let me know what is the output. S2, C2, S3, C2 and C3. When you subtract, then you will get these student not enrolled these course. These student not enrolled these course. When I fetch SID only, then what happen? I will get student not enrolled every course. Student not enrolled every course. Not enrolled every course. God bless you, bachcho. Mean to say, once I fetch it, then I will get the student who not enrolled every course. If I subtract from total student, then what happen, bachcho? Mean to say, here what is the total student? S1, S2, S3 minus what is the output? S2 and S3. Then I will get the output. I will get the output student who enrolled every course. Please keep patience. I will again revise 2 times. I will again revise 2 times and I will give the shortcut how to write this. Okay. Now listen carefully. I know you don't know this thing. Okay. Now listen. Jadip, please listen. Assume you don't know. Okay. I'm talking in a general term. How I can identify, forget each and everything. Forget each and everything. How, let's suppose you given one task to me. Everyone listen carefully. You given one task. Ki, sir, you have to find these are the 3 students and these are the 3 class. These are the 3 students, these are the 3 classes. You have to find ki which one student attend every class. So what I did, first of all, I assume each and every student attend each and every class. Okay. Then what I did, I subtract from the attendance sheet. I subtract from the attendance sheet. When I subtract, then what output I will get? I will get ki this X student not attend this class, this Y student not attend this class, this Z student not attend this class, if there is any case. If I fetch the student, then I will get those bad student, nalayak student, gande bacche, not attend every class, not attend every class. If these nalayak student I subtract from the total student from the of the class, then what I will get? I will get a brilliant student, who sincere student, who attending each and every class. Getting my point? Please, I'm not saying to you, listen the disclaimer first. You are not of the nalayak, don't worry. So listen what I did. First of all, I will take a student and course ID, I will run the cross product, then you will get each and every student getting the each and every course. Then I will subtract from the hakikat, attendance sheet, enroll table. Then I came to know that this X student not attend this course, this student not enroll this course. I'm not interested in course, I interested in students. So these are the student S2 and S3 who not enroll every course. Then who enroll every course? Total student minus this student. Total student minus this student. Clear, bacha? Each and every one crystal clear? Chamka? If yes, then kindly write down in chat box heart. Everyone. Now listen carefully. बच्चों, do it fast, do it fast. बना दीजिए दिल. So how to write? SID enroll, CID course minus enroll table. You find the SID, फिर pi SID enroll. Now I make it generalize. This is what? This is the expansion of SID CID from enroll table. Jaideep, now crystal clear beta? If not, then don't worry, again I will take with other manner. This is the course. Jaideep, if I will write these values in the term of AB from R divided by pi B from S, then how I can write, my dear? How I can write? I can write pi A from R, pi B from S minus original relation R. You will get pi A. This pi A, you subtract total students. Crystal clear, everyone? Easily you can write this manner. You can compare here also. Sir, if we have to apply two condition, I want to find the name and father contact number who attend every class and deposit. Deposit is not the right keyword, submit. है ना, but I am taking deposit. है ना, deposit each and every assignment. Mean to say, if I want to find two things and condition is applied on two things, then how you write? How you write? Pi AB from R, pi CD from S minus relation R, pi AB. This pi AB you will subtract from all. Clear, everyone? Each and every one crystal clear? Each and every one crystal clear? Sir, what is the C and D? Here C and D are the two conditions. And A and B is what? A is the, I want to find the name and father contact number who attend every class and deposit or submit each and every assignment. So two condition applying, every class and every test. Crystal clear, bachcho? So this is the division operator, beta. You can write expansion like natural join we write na. Like how you write natural join? How you write natural join? My dear student, you written natural join in this manner. But what is the actual meaning? What is the actual meaning? First of all, R cross S, then equality condition on common attribute. After that, pi of distinct attribute. Clear बच्चा? Similar this one beta. This is the expansion. Crystal clear everyone? Please let me know. Sham, Seema, Sadeep, GTG, CSE, Adya Raj, Yashu, everyone clear? So this is the expansion. Whatever you want to find that one, or what is the condition, not connection, condition, you can apply. Very good bachcho. Now this is the question which ask in gate. This is the question which ask in gate. It is asking if you have to find the employee ID who own all the brands. So how many tables are needed? There is a brand table, own table, and employee table. So you can see these two tables are sufficient. Own, brand, own and brand. Sir, please one name set course. Fusion. Okay. So in this, what is the answer, beta? Piyush, Seema, GTG, CSE, Sham, Jaideep. What is the answer? You can take, I am giving this question as a homework also. Brand. You can take brand BID, B name, brand B1, B2, American Tourister, Wildcraft, and on table EID and BID, in which there are, you can take 3 employee. E1 contain brand 1, 2, E2 contain brand 1, E3 contain both brand. When you solve, you will get the answer, bacha. You will get the answer A and B. I am giving the data, you will solve, because I will explain another one. You know this one? You know how to divide operator work? If this is the table and you have to divide by P2 and P4. You know, everyone let me know fast. Yes, A and B is the correct answer, because this is the expansion of this one, bacha. This is MSQ 2022. MSQ 2022. You know beta how to divide? Everyone. Sham, Seema, Jaideep, Shan, Piyush, Yashu, Adya Raj. Please let me know. You know how to divide this one? You know or not? You know or don't know? Tell me fast. Okay, I will let you know how the division will work. Like P2. Seema, Sham, Jaideep, Gate EG, CSE, Piyush Jain. Each and everyone let me know. I don't know what is the answer. I will explain how to check. How to check. First of all, you will, bachcho, listen carefully. I am explaining from the basic. Most of the student having the doubt in this topic. What? Ki how to divide. Okay. I will check the answer. What is the correct answer? Don't worry. I will explain the procedure. Okay. I will explain the procedure. First of all, you will divide, first of all, supplier by P2. By P2. P2. So how you check? Wherever P2 is present. S1, S2, S3, S4. So what S number you will get? S1, S2, S3, S4. Clear? Then next step, supplier table. Divide by P2, P4. Now what you do, beta? What you do? You will check each and every this values. S1 having the P4? Yes. S1 having the P4. S2 having the P4? S2 having the P4? No, sir. S3 having the P4? S3 not having, sir. S4 having the P4? Yes, sir. S4 having the P4. Hope so you are getting. You are getting, bachcho. Now solve this question. Solve this question. Each and everyone solve this question. What is the answer for this question? Please let me know fast. Sham, Sima, Jadip, Piyush, Gate EG, CSE. Here, what happened? Course name equal to SA. So you have to divide CA, CB, CC. You have to divide this table CA, CB, CC. Those students not know how to divide, write down me. Me not know, sir, how to divide by CA, CB, CC. In the last question, I apply because I watch it somewhere. But this time I don't know, sir. Write down me. Okay, Jadip. Don't worry. Then other, please reply the answer. Here, student name equal to SA. So SA, this one. So you have to divide this table CA, CB, CC. बच्चों, I am telling one technique. Jadip, after today class, Piyush, wrong beta. After today class, you will not doing any mistake in division. It's my guarantee plus warranty. Don't worry about that. Okay, bacha. Now, I will let you know how to do the divide. Like this table. This table, you have to divide. Assume this enrolled table, you have to divide by C1, C2 and C3. Then how you do? कैसे करेंगे बच्चों? Each and every one, I know you are knowing, but please, if you have little bit confusion, try to understand, then smoothly as butter. मक्खन के जैसे समझ में आएगा. Don't worry about that. Listen carefully. First of all, you have to divide enroll table by SA. Step 1, number 1, by C1, not SA, by C1. Then what you do, you check wherever C1 is present, corresponding S1. Then you will get S1, S2, S3. This is divided by C1. In the next step, this is the step 1. So I am telling the simplest approach. Believe me, simplest approach. Next step second. Step second, what you do? Agar if you want to divide by 10 items na, 10, C1 to C10, 100 tuples, easily you can solve. Easily you can solve. Believe me. Now, step second, enrolled, divide by C1 and C2. Then what you do? You will take as a input. You will take as a input and check in S1, S2 and S3 ki C2 is present or not. So when you check in S1 C2 is present, yes. So in S1 C2 is present. In S2 C2 is present, no. In S3 C2 is present, no sir, no. So this is the output for C1 divided by C2. Clear everyone? Each and everyone. Now step 3. Step 3, enroll table. Divide by C1, C2 and C3. Divide by C1, C2 and C3. Now. Yes, difference hai beta. Previous was a crash course. Here I am taking each and everything, whatever is possible in depth with key questions also. Like division, this concept I not told earlier also. Now listen carefully. How to do this one? Now take kahan gaya? This one as a input and check for S1 C3 is present. Yes. So this one is the output. S1 is the output. Clear? Now forever till end. Now listen carefully. This is the question. Here you have to divide this T2 table divide this T2 table by CA, CB, CC. CA, CB and CC बच्चों. Clear everyone? Jaideep, please focus. So step number 1, T2 divide by CA. So what you check? Wherever CA is present, wherever CA is present, you can check बच्चों, you can check CA is present here, here. Yes. CA is present here, here, here and here. So what is the output? CA is present here, 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 here. Yes or no? You get 4 tuples. Am I right? You get course name equal to SA. SA you are getting CA, CB, CC. So you will get first of all CA. So from CA you will get what? SC, SD, SC, SD, SE, SF and this one itself. CA. This one itself. Clear bacha? So you will get SA, SC, SD, SE, SF. This is divided by CA. Jaideep getting beta? Jaideep, each and everyone getting? Now step 2. You have to divide by CA and CB. So what you do beta? What you do? You will take this one as a input. बच्चों अब सब में नहीं देखना है. No need to check in each and every one. No need to check in SE, SF. No! Only this one as a input. This one as a input. And in this, CB is present or not. In this, CB is present or not. For example, for a SA, CB is there. Yes, sir. So you will take yes. For SC, CB is there. Yes, sir. For SD, SD, CB is there. Yes, sir. For SE, SE, CB is there. Yes, sir. For SF, CB is there. Yes, sir. So, if ask only CA divided by CB, you will get this answer. You will get this answer. Now, T2 divided by CA, CB, CC. So, what you do, beta? You will take this one as a input. For a SA, CC is present? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For a SB, CC is present? Yes, sir. For a SD, SD, SD? Yes, sir. For a SE, SE? No, sir. No. SE not present. SF, SF, SF? Yes, sir. Getting beta? Or listen carefully. Listen carefully, each and every one. If I will take one more step, CA, CB, CC, CD. If I will take T2 divide by CA, CB, CC and CD, then what is the answer? This is the extra. So what you do? What you do, beta? What you do? You check for SA. SA, CD? No. SB, CD? No. SC, CD? SD, 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 CA, CB, CC and CD also. CD also. Then SD will satisfy. SF not satisfy. SF, SF not satisfy, sir. SF not satisfying because SF only satisfying this one, this one, this one, this one. Chamka, Seema, this is the shortcut, beta. This is the shortcut. Otherwise, you will trap. This is the shortcut. Believe me. What is the shortcut? You not focus. I don't know why. Listen carefully. If you follow this thing now, no one can stop you. A, C, D, F. S, A, C, D, F. Okay. By mistake, I have written. You correct this one. Here I will write on C na. C, A, C, B. S, B, C, B is not there. This one. S, B, C, A. C, A is present in S, A, S, C. This one. Okay. Listen. Again, I am telling you can solve by these things n number of times. I know you written sometime shortcut. How you written? And how you learn? Ki some teachers yeah somewhere you listen. Ki just check wherever all are present. Wherever all are present. But definitely it is wrong. Definitely it is wrong because you are not a professional. You are not a professional. Even sometime professional also done the mistakes. Believe me, beta. I know so many teachers, students. Yeah, I know so many toppers also. They are doing the mistake in this. If you are thinking ki you can do correct each and every time, so this is the best approach to solve correct. No one can stop you to getting the +2 marks. What is the procedure? Again, I am telling. Listen carefully. First of all, divide by CA. You check wherever CA is present. CA. That's all. Now no need to check each and everything again and again. Now take these only. Let's suppose there are 100 students. There are 100 students. Now there are 100 students. Assume in T1 table there are 100 students and divide by CA, CB and CC. So first you filter only CA. First you filter only CA. Now you no need to think about the 100 student. You think only about these 5 student. This is the best, more than best. Believe me, it will work. There is a no confusion. I already done so many research on this topic. Believe me, beta. I can explain in this manner, but for a student point of view, this is the best approach. For example, there is 100 student. You first step by step. This is the step 1, divide by CA. Now you are getting 5 tuples. Then don't think about the 95 student remaining. Not think about the remaining 95. Otherwise, what happen? There is a one penetration. Yes, CV is here. This one is there. Someone satisfies CA, someone satisfies CB, someone satisfies CC, someone satisfies CD. Then you will never ever get the correct answer. Then what happen in the GATE examination? You spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then you leave the questions. Otherwise, you will apply the wrong answer, you leave the questions. So this is the best and step-by-step approach. And it is not a long process. Out of 100 tuples, easily you are working only 5. This is long, not long. If you think that is long, then other option definitely give the wrong. Then pick only this one data as a input. What you do for a SA, CB is there or not? For a SA, CB is there or not? For a SA, CB is there? Yes, sir. Take it. For a SC, CB is there? Yes, sir. For a SA, CB is there? Yes, sir. For a SA, CB is there. And for a SD, CB is there. SE, CB is there? Yes, sir. Then SF, CB is there? Yes, sir. After that, this one take as a input. This one take as a input. SA, CC is there. SA, CC is there. SC, CC is there? Yes, sir. After that, SD, CC is there? Yes, sir. After that, SE, CC is not there. CC is not there, beta. After that, SF, CC is there? Yes, sir. I will take one more. You have to divide by CD also. Then what you do? No need to think about the 100. You focus only SA, SC, SD, SF. A, C, D, F. For A, D is not there. For A, D is not there. For a C, C, D is not there. For a D, SD. For a SD, for a SD, D is there. For a SD, only this one satisfy. Only this one satisfy. And for a SF, D is not there. Only SD. If I will take once more also, there are 100 tuples, I will take CD, CE, CF. Easily you can do. You have only one attitude. Give the question, I will give the correct answer. That is your attitude. Believe me, beta. Chamka, everyone. If you really enjoy this question approach, please write down in chat box, not crystal clear. Write down some sentence. What is you are getting about this? Not crystal clear or any heart. No, 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 no. Write down like some sentence. Believe me, if you really getting, write down in the form of sentence, not a single word crystal clear. Believe me, there are some questions of division operator and most of the student having the doubt. And this is not the fault of the student also. Even sometimes I also taught. Not I, means teachers also taught ki by easily watching you can see. They take very easy examples ki by easily watching you can see S1 is the answer. But if you get this type of tuples, then definitely you are in trap, or might be you will do the wrong answer. But now by this approach, you will not do any wrong answer. Believe me, this is the best approach, and I am not developing this approach. Also NPTEL, each and every one telling in this similar way. Clear, bacha? Write down something, bacha. Now this is the concept of division. Now this is the question which is asked in GATE 2023. GATE 2023. Bachcho, write down na. Sham, Sima, Jaideep, Sen. Jaideep. Gender equal to female and marks greater than 65. 1, 2, 3. But marks greater than 65. These two, this one not. Only 2 tuples. This is the GATE 2023 question. GATE 2023 questions. Now, Sham, Jaideep, Seema has written. Adyaraj, Priya Chaudhary, Chen. Now write down these things. Bachcho, how you will get this table? How you will get this table? First of all, how you will get this table? ये table कहाँ से आया? How you will get this table? I told in ER diagram what? Here there is a many to many relationship between supplier and parts, and catalog is the relation which having the cost attribute descriptive. Here we have SID, S name, rating. Most of the student not analyze this. How we will get this table? How we will get this table? Here we have a parts ID, parts name, and color. Beta, this is many to many relationship. Or I told, oh sorry, I not explain the ER to DBMS conversion. Might be I missing na. You told me, but you not told that time. You told end of the class. Anyway, you know this is the basic thing. Whenever there is a many to many, you need 3 table. Supplier, in which SID, S name, and rating. Even I shared the PDF of that detail. Parts, PID, P name, and color. And this is the catalog table, in which both table primary key in the respective relation they work as a foreign key. How you will get this table? In this manner you will get this table. Jaideep, in this manner you will get this table. Okay. Now my question is, retrieve SID of the supplier whose rating is greater than 9. Let me know how many table are required. How many table are required? कितना table लगेगा? We want to find SID na? SID. Where is the rating? In supplier table. Rating greater than 9 from supplier table. Clear, bacha? This is the question number 1. Same schema I am using. Find the PID of red color part. PID of red color part. So you can see, first of all, you have to identify how many minimum tables are required. Okay. So you can see, bacho, right now in this question, I'm asking rating. Any condition is on rating and asking SID. So rating is present here and SID is present in supplier table. SID is present in supplier table. So only one table is required. What table? Supplier table. In the next question, I want the PID and color equal to red. Color equal to red. Then how many table are required? Color equal to red and PID. So only parts table is required. So how you write? Color equal to red from the parts table. And what we have to find? PID. Next, find the SID of supplier whose cost is greater than 20,000. जिसका cost 20,000 से ज़्यादा है. So, what happened? Which table is required? Everyone acknowledge, please. Which table is required? Which table is required? Everyone acknowledge fast. Are you able to analysis ki which table is required for these things? This table is required for these things. So we required cost, condition and SID we want. So cost is present on, you can see catalog, and SID is also there. So what we can do, cost is greater than 20,000 from catalog table. And what we want SID. Okay. This is the question number 3rd. Question number 4th. Retrieve the SID who supplied some red color parts. Retrieve the SID who supplied some red color parts. Retrieve the SID who supplied some, very good bacha. Retrieve the SID who supplied some red color parts. So how many tables are required, bacho? We want SID, color equal to red, color equal to red. Now you can see color is present in parts table and SID is present in catalog table. This is the connection. Parts.p.pid equal to c.pid. Okay बच्चा, because दो table required होगी, parts table because color is present here and we want SID. So this is the connecting. Getting my point? You know this concept. Now two table are required. Here I written catalog cross product of parts and this is the condition. But I want, what is your homework? Today I am giving the homework. You have to write a query for this question. At least 3 queries. At least 3 way. Only relational algebra, not SQL. SQL मत लिखना इसका. Only relational algebra is required. You can perform this query by total. I know total, and you can perform by n way, but I am telling you have to write at least 3 way. At least 3 way you will write. I will start from tomorrow this topic and I will explain some concept also. You can write this query. This is the worst query. It will take lots of time and complexity is very high. You have to write whatever possible ways. I will start from tomorrow this topic. Then I given the meaning of these things. And on this concept, optimize query, this question ask. This you have to solve. This one already no need to solve. Don't worry. So my dear student, you let me know. First of all, there is a any doubt? I given one assignment only. You have to solve that query. You have to write that query by optimized way. Everyone crystal clear, enjoying the concept? I'm not wasting your time also, don't worry. Acknowledge fast, hashtag enjoying. Everyone. Yes, Sam, Shima, Jaideep, please learn this. I will upload this PDF after the just finishing the class. You will read it, okay? Then we will start next. Thank you. And believe me, division concept is very good manner I try to explain, and now there is a no confusion. Believe me, you can divide by 5 attribute, 6 attribute. Don't fear if there is n number of tuples. 100 tuples, then don't fear. Why don't fear? Because Vijay sir is here. Don't worry about that. I try to explain in best manner, and definitely if you follow this approach, no one can beat you. Believe me, bachcho. So thank you. God bless you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.